If you've ever wanted to start a dropshipping business but felt overwhelmed by product sourcing, unreliable suppliers, or slow shipping times, this video is going to be super useful for you. Let's dive in. Today, I'm reviewing Dober, an all-in-one dropshipping platform designed to simplify the entire process from finding products to fulfilling orders automatically. Dober connects online sellers to over 1 million different products sourced from pre-vetted suppliers, with a strong emphasis on US-based warehouses. That means faster shipping, fewer customer complaints, and more professional experiences overall. The goal of Dober is simple: remove the complicated parts of dropshipping so entrepreneurs can focus on scaling their stores instead of managing logistics. What's also interesting is access to Dober's tools and product catalogs start at just 99 cents, making it accessible for beginners who want to test the waters. Now, one of Dober's biggest strengths is its massive product catalog. With over 1 million products available, sellers have plenty of options to cross multiple niches without needing to hunt for suppliers on their own. All suppliers are Dober verified, which eliminates one of the biggest risks in dropshipping, dealing with unreliable or low quality vendors. Another major advantage is US-based fulfillment. Many products ship directly from warehouses within the United States, which means faster delivery times and higher customer satisfaction compared to overseas shipping. Dober also automates many of the tasks that usually slow sellers down, including inventory syncing, automatic order fulfillment, and real-time product availability updates. On top of that, Dober offers curated product discovery lists, which makes it much easier to find winning products. These include TikTok shop selections, top-ranking products, and high-profit opportunities, as well as premium suppliers and Shopify selections. And unlike many dropshipping platforms, Dober does not charge per order or per product fee. Instead, it operates on a simple subscription-based model, which makes costs predictable and easier to manage. Overall, Dober removes supplier vetting, inventory management, and shipping complexity from the equation. So if you're just running your store and you want an end-to-end service, this is a fantastic option. Now let's walk through how Dober works from start to finish. First of all, you're going to want to connect your store with the Connect Your New Store button under the Stores section. Dober integrates directly with popular platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and even TikTok Shop. Once connected, everything syncs automatically. Step 2 is to find winning products. You can browse the product catalog manually or use built-in features like top rankings, new arrivals, or niche-specific collections to identify high-potential items. Now, with one click, you can import products directly into your store. It's going to import product images, descriptions, pricing, and inventory levels that all sync automatically, saving hours of manual work. All we got to do is add to inventory list and then import our whole inventory, or we can simply just press the List to Store button, in which we can select our store, press Continue, and then automatically import the products. To import multiple items, just go to your shopping cart and you'll see all of the ones that you have added. Simply press Select All or select certain ones that you want and then hit Checkout. Next, we can go to our inventory list, and in order to list all of these to store, we simply just press this tick button. You can see all of the ones in our catalog and then go ahead and press the List to Store button. Now, from that point, when a customer places an order, it syncs instantly with Dober. You pay the wholesale price and the supplier ships the product directly to your customer. There's no need to handle storage, packaging, or shipping logistics at any point. Now, a couple extra highlights from Dober that really stand out to me is their education and automation. First off, we have the Elite Academy. Dober's Elite Academy is included for free with the standard plan and is valued at $750 on its own. So that's already great value. The training covers advanced profit strategies, product selection and pricing methods, social commerce mastery, especially for TikTok Shop, and much more. It's designed to help both beginners and scaling sellers understand what actually works in modern dropshipping. And then, of course, we have the AI Hub. So this is where you can use AI to build a store, which can launch a Shopify store in literally minutes. They have the AI Picker, which recommends products based on your store's niche. And of course, the AI Auto Lister, which automatically lists trending products on a schedule to your store. These tools significantly reduce setup time and help sellers stay competitive without constant manual effort. But one of the coolest features here is Dober's Video Hub. So this is especially useful for sellers focused on social commerce. The Video Hub provides trending product ideas through short-form videos, influencer-tested product pics for added social proof, and ready-to-use supplier video ads, meaning no filming is required. This is particularly helpful for TikTok shop sellers and anyone running paid ads, because you got a lot of the content already there. Now, who is Dober actually best for? Well, Dober's a strong fit for beginners entering dropshipping, TikTok shop sellers, and Shopify store owners looking for automation and faster fulfillment. With its massive product catalog, fast US shipping, and AI-powered tools, as well as built-in education, Dober offers a streamlined approach to dropshipping without unnecessary complexity. So if you're looking for a platform that helps you start efficiently and scale intelligently, Dober is definitely worth exploring. If you want to see how Dober works for yourself, explore the platform, browse the products, and test the tools. All the relevant links are available in the description below. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video.